guys, so today we're opening these Sanrio rain characters. I've opened 2 in the past. I don't want to tell you which ones I got because I don't want to ruin the video. Let's just see what we get. Oh, I will only tell you if it is a dupe. And it is not a dupe. It is, so obviously you know I did not get the Choco in my last video, but this is adorable and I love it. That's it. Oh, here's this umbrella, which will actually go in his hand. He is so cute and I love it so much. Definitely just have one more to go. Can you guess which one that is? Those were your options. Okay. Well, I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.